Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a link in the TikTok bio. So let's get started. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your mobile screen and tap to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the right bottom, tab on the profile icon to access the profile page. On the profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Unfortunately, there's no direct link option here. So let's go back to the profile page and tap on the three vertical lines in the top right corner. From the bottom menu, open Settings and Privacy. Then, select the Account option. Now, tap on Switch to Business Account. Tap on the Next button until you find the category page. Select a category that best describes your account, and then tap on Next. You can add your email address for business purposes, or add bio related to your content, and then tab on Next. I am going to skip these steps and tap on Create Now. Once everything is set up, go back to your profile page. Tap on Edit Profile once more. And here you can see that the website option is available where you can add your website or any link that you want to use to add in the profile bio. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.